Hello, welcome to this update for Oceania. Let's see what's happening. We have some storms in Australia now. This model shows those stronger storms in Queensland there and some in Western Australia. So let's see the satellite. As you can see, some storms occurring in Western Australia, but the storms in Queensland, there are some in Northern Queensland, some stronger ones, but the ones in Eastern Queensland are more in the ocean there. But we do have some storms, and shows now some rain South Australia as well. So let's see what might happen. There's the accumulation the next 5 days. The European model does show close to 193 millimeters, somewhere close to 200 millimeters near Sarina and Mackay. Some areas there close to 121 millimeters. So be careful, but this might change because as you can see, the model showed a bunch of storms over there now, and the satellites show them in the ocean. So the model's not exact forecast. So let's see, shows some more than 100 millimeters in northern Queensland and more storms there. All these areas of blue and green is accumulation, and it will likely come from thunderstorms because now it's like spring already. There's more instability. So shows there northeastern New South Wales, some 49 millimeters as well, and some more stuff there. Shows more fronts near central and southern New South Wales, close to 17 to 25 millimeters. This might be some storms to South Australia. Shows more like Northern Territory, and especially like northernmost Australia. There's some 72 to almost 80 millimeters from some storms there. So expect more thunderstorms there. Western Australia too, and some areas. Basically all of this accumulation northern Australia will be in the form of thunderstorms. So be aware, and some showers too. And the GFS does have, so that the GFS much different around West Hill and Saina. Does have close to 100 millimeters, some 88 millimeters, but it doesn't have that crazy storms the European did. And but it does have some fronts in South Australia, and like some more storms there. Victoria, some rain, and Tasmania does have some stuff Western Australia there, and some more storms in Northern Territory. So yeah, be aware. The icon does show some more scattered showers and storms there throughout central to southern Australia, more like northern Australia, some thunderstorms in the afternoon, especially evening, and shows more there. It barely shows what the European showed in Queensland. It's showing more along the coast, that accumulation. So yeah, this varies a lot, but Victoria shows some more fronts in the next 5 days. South Australia, some more storms, so be aware those areas. And in terms of storms, we're also monitoring for some potential bigger storms near Vanuatu, New Caledonia, and some areas there. For example, the European model shows those showers and storms there, and it does show like those showers there Friday, Saturday. Shows more concentration of showers throughout Saturday, Sunday, the 24th, and the European tries to spin up a system there just north of New Caledonia on the 24th and 25th, but shows very disorganized, probably not tropical, but a big system in terms of rainfall to watch. So does show some storms in Fiji and Chu, and this dives south there. So yeah, we'll be watching this. There's like the accumulation from this, that the European model is very crazy. Those areas north of New Caledonia, close to 245 millimeters, some islands there. Near Tadin, some 190, some other areas 154 millimeters. Next 5 days until Monday, has some spots in New Caledonia close to 136 millimeters, 91 millimeters, some 109, but that's mainly next week. If I put this until Friday, barely shows a thing there. If I put this until Saturday, already shows some like 36 millimeters until Saturday. If I put this until Monday, already shows the system there. So yeah, be aware. And it also has more around Vanuatu, some scattered showers and storms, 75 millimeters, some 82 millimeters, some more islands like some 85 millimeters, and shows Fiji some more scattered showers and storms throughout these days, but mainly this weekend after that disturbance starts throwing some rain there. Shows like 90 millimeters in some areas, so like 49 millimeters. So yeah, BR shows more like tropical showers and storms near Samoa, Matautu, American Samoa, some passing showers and storms in northern Tonga. So yeah, be aware in those areas. Solomon Islands, just some tropical weather, showers and storms there, but be aware during thunderstorms with lightning and heavy rain. And shows more like Papua New Guinea, those tropical downpours in some areas. So yeah, and there's the GFS. Let's see. So the GFS is also some storms in Queensland there now, and it goes shows. Let's see here first. So it has like some showers and storms near Samoa. Thursday, some are lingering showers in Fiji. Friday, Vanuatu, Tonga. Shows there Saturday, some more action near just west of Vanuatu. This goes later on Sunday near New Caledonia. That doesn't show any consolidated system, just a big front or something. Not front because that's a tropical disturbance, but it doesn't show any tropical cyclone or anything. But we better watch this for some heavy rain from this disturbance. Tuesday, parts of Fiji too, and Monday, not areas. So be aware. It also has the disturbance there, but nothing that crazy at this moment. So let's see. The Europeans a little bit stronger. There's the icon shows those passing showers and storms there. Thursday, Friday, some more showers and storms. Saturday, Vanuatu and Samoa especially. And then Sunday, the shows more concentration showers and storms near New Caledonia and Vanuatu. This goes shows an area of very heavy rain there, but then it doesn't really form into anything. So yeah, be aware those areas. There's the access too, shows until Monday. The access has some parts of Vanuatu close to like 163 millimeters, some 199 millimeters. So be aware, the access is pointing more towards Vanuatu and showing less in New Caledonia. But this might be like the European, more in New Caledonia, less in Vanuatu. But it these models aren't in much agreement, but just if you are like New Caledonia, Vanuatu, just be aware there, uh, especially this weekend on Sunday and next Monday if this disturbance forms. But in like Vanuatu there might be showers and storms nearly every day, so just be aware most of the days. In Fiji shows some spots 104 millimeters, some specific spots, and other spots like 6 millimeters, so it's very scattered. Shows some other areas close to 116 millimeters and others 21 millimeters. So yeah, BR some spots like Matautu near Samoa, the excess like 193 millimeters in the next 5 days. So BR of a lot of tropical downpours there. And it does have some more in Papua New Guinea, close to 200 millimeters, 234 in some areas. And it has in Australia some like Northern Australia, those showers and storms, especially those stronger storms in the afternoon. And some central northern territory, close to 103 millimeters. Western Australia, there are some storms, so be aware there. Uh, but this forecast will still change, especially for like later on this week, because it is just a model. It isn't what will actually happen. But let's see for Australia with the European model. So it shows those storms in Queensland, and then shows more Thursday tomorrow, still central northern Queensland in the afternoon, and eastern Queensland shows some scattered storms in the afternoon in Western Australia and the evening too. So be aware. Shows more Thursday night to Friday, somewhere in Western Australia, still northeastern New South Wales and Queensland some stuff on Friday. Friday afternoon shows more Western Australia, especially near South Australia and Northwestern Australia. And Northern Queensland shows some more storms. Then later on Friday shows some showers in South Australia, and a storm or two into Saturday shows maybe some storms in South Australia as that front goes towards Victoria. Shows still some storms in Northwestern Territory, Northern Territory and Western Australia there on Saturday afternoon, especially like Northwestern Australia and some areas. Stuff or two near Queensland, but nothing that crazy. There'll be that front on Sunday and Saturday across Victoria, South Australia. Shows some bigger storms like in Northern Territory near Sunday afternoons and Western Australia, so be aware there. Next Monday still shows scary showers and storms Northern Australia and like Central to Southern Australia, especially like shows that front still on Monday in Victoria, New South Wales, so and a finger to Southwestern Australia. And then the rest is too far out, but still shows some storms there the other week, next week. So yeah, be aware there. There's the GFS that shows, this was earlier, so shows some storms near Western Australia there. Tomorrow afternoon, Thursday, still in Queensland, expect some storms. Shows Thursday night into Friday, somewhere Western Australia. Friday afternoon, maybe northeastern New South Wales, parts of Queensland, and other areas. Friday night shows more around Western Australia, some areas there. This goes. And Saturdays, somewhere from Northern Territories. And this goes that front on Saturday through South Australia. The storms extending all the way to Northern Territory. The front might enter more Victoria Saturday into Sunday, especially southwestern Victoria. This goes on Monday, still some showers and storms there. Shows southwestern Australia, some more storms on Monday. This finger two in Queensland, so yeah, be aware in those areas. And the icon does show some storms near Western Australia today there, just like the satellite that I showed you, Queensland. Then Thursday afternoon tomorrow shows some more storms in Queensland. Be aware there, Western Australia. Then Thursday night still Western Australia because of that front, and some stuff in Northern Australia. Then like Friday shows more around Western Australia in the afternoon, maybe South Australia. Later into Saturdays, some stuff near the north there. It shows like Saturday that front stronger in South Australia, into Victoria, all the way into Northern Territory and Western Australia, some more storms there. Saturday into Sunday, more storms, Northern Territory, South Australia on Sunday afternoon, especially Northwestern Australia there. Then this goes, shows more across Northern Australia. On the 24th, Northern Territory, this goes and shows the front Sunday and Monday. Still some stuff in Victoria, New South Wales there, and Western Australia still shows some. By Tuesday, still showing stuff in Victoria there. So yeah, but be aware in those areas. But this is just a model, and it might happen completely different than this. But this is the general trend. Be aware. But be aware, for example, some more tropical areas like northern Queensland, those storms in the afternoon can be very intense, like it shows the satellite now. Some isolated storms near Northern Territory, so be careful. Those storms, they can have like heavy rain, some lightning, and even hail if they are more severe, especially further south. So be careful in those areas. And in other areas like French Polynesia, does show that front there, maybe a storm or two near Vanuatu, but later still shows some lingering showers Thursday and Friday, maybe a storm or two in the south. Friday shows some more showers, a storm or two in some parts of French Polynesia, but mainly some showers. But you can see those likely emojis, maybe a small storm or two. Saturday shows more showers there. Sunday, yeah, there's not much action there, but there are some lingering showers you should monitor. So if I put this until next Monday, shows those showers there, some 60 millimeters, some thunderstorms, 20 millimeters. Some further south islands, not sure that anybody lives here, does show some 49 millimeters there. Mauritius some 23. Adamstown shows less, close to 1 millimeter, but yeah. Bapete shows some showers, some 18 millimeters, maybe a storm or two. So be aware in those areas, but nothing that crazy there. And some more some islands there a little bit less in central southern Kiribati, but northern Kiribati some more showers in the intertropical convergence zone, and Marshall Islands right in the middle, some more passing tropical downpours, showers and storms near the Marshall Islands, so be aware there. And New Zealand, the next 5 days doesn't show anything crazy. Shows in the south some 44 millimeters, some 49 millimeters near southwestern New Zealand, and some showers in other areas there. So yeah, be aware in those areas. The temperature in Australia is still hot in many areas and a little bit cooler at night in the south. There's some 9-8 degrees, southern Tasmania some 3 degrees, but like in the afternoon shows all the way to South Australia, so like 35 degrees, 37, 38 in many areas, so like 40 degrees parts of Western Australia. So be aware, Northern Territories some 38 degrees, Northern Queensland some 38, 37, but some spots on the Pacific a little bit less, some 18 degrees, and mainly some higher mountains there, some high elevation. But shows like still at night hot through Central Australia, so be aware. But shows that front there a little bit warmer ahead of it on like Friday, some 38 degrees South Australia, 30 to 36 in Victoria, New South Wales, some 36, in Queensland, especially in the north, some 37, Western Queensland, Eastern Western Queensland even more, and Southern Queensland a little bit, and New South Wales shows like Friday, some 36 degrees in the west, Northern Territory close to like 40 degrees in the south, 39, South Australia, so some 40 degrees in a spot or two, 37, so BOR is not showing as intense of a heat wave in northwestern Australia, but still shows some 35 degrees, 36, and some spots in the desert, 37 and something. So BOR, this is Friday, shows there later cools down at night, but Saturday afternoon shows that front there, uh, hotter ahead of it and a little bit cooler behind it, shows all the way to 38 degrees Victoria on Saturday ahead of it, some areas 38, especially in South Australia to 39 degrees, Northern Territory some 39, 38, might even reach 40 in a spot or two. So be aware, Western Queensland some 37 to 39, and yeah, Northern Queensland still some 30s. It shows Western Australia again, so like some spots of 41 degrees, especially some towns in the deserts, 41, 40 degrees again. So yeah, be aware there's some spots. And Saturday, Sunday morning does show at night southwestern Australia close to 10 degrees, some spots at night 12 degrees, 16 degrees in Perth, and yeah, through the south there a little less hot, but shows some cooler temperatures southeastern Australia and maybe Tasmania, but still those hot temperatures there, especially Sunday morning, not morning but Sunday afternoon, some 39 degrees, New South Wales some 38, 37, Sunday, and those areas Western Australia still some 41 degrees by Sunday, 41, 40, so be aware. This goes next Monday, similar thing, and yeah, so be careful with those temperatures. And terms of snow, doesn't really show anything else because it's too hot already, but New Zealand does show some, we'll check in a second, and like wind gusts, so shows some gusty winds in the ocean maybe, and a thing or two in the desert, and maybe near Queensland a thing or two there, but like this is Wednesday, Thursday, that front still with a little bit gusty winds Western Australia on Thursday, some spots of especially Eastern Western Australia, so be aware. Thursday night shows there this goes, gust wind or two near South Australia, 56 km/h gusts, something like 53. Friday, this goes there, shows Western Australia, like Friday night into Saturday, some 50 km/h gusts, in South Australia. By Saturday, shows maybe some above normal winds in Queensland still, but not very gusty, but a little bit above Normal shows some 58 km per hour South Australia later Saturday. This goes Saturday night to Sunday, maybe a little bit gusty with that front in South Australia. Sunday this goes there, a little bit gusty with those storms in that front there. But Monday this goes there, shows like Western Australia again on later on Mondays, a little bit gusty winds near southwest and most Australia, some 71 km per hour. Doesn't show much in Perth, but the areas around it shows some higher gusts. Still some gusty winds in the desert on like Tuesday the 26th, and some stuff there again later. So be aware. But nothing that crazy in terms of winds, but always be aware. But the European model is trying to form this disturbance near Vanuatu and Fiji, so it shows these days like some 45 km per hour gusts in Fiji, some 54, a little bit gusty southern Vanuatu, New Caledonia, so just some higher waves than normal and some more breezy conditions, but nothing crazy. The crazy thing might start the next Sunday near New Caledonia. Shows just north of New Caledonia, like next Sunday to Monday, shows all the way to 69 km per hour gusts. This goes next Monday, the 25th, shows all the way to some 84 km per hour gusts in Waiake, near New Caledonia, some other some 72 km per hour gusts. This goes and still shows some high gusts near Val, close to 88 km per hour, and this goes there. So yeah, it also shows a little bit more breezy near Tonga and other areas. So yeah, but we're still monitoring if this disturbance will form or something, but nothing certain yet. But be aware those areas. Now New Zealand shows those colder temperatures still in the mountains, -4, -3, 0 degrees, those areas. Some areas 6 degrees, 7, not areas like 15 degrees. But yeah, shows 17, 15 degrees, northern New Zealand, some 14 at night in Auckland, but some areas close to -2, -1, and not areas there on Thursday. This goes, and a little bit warmer Friday, and but Friday night into Saturday again shows like those -4 in the mountains, 4 or 5 degrees near the mountains there, some 14 the northern island. This goes a little bit warmer during the day, but like next Saturday the 23rd, still those spots of more negative and cold temperatures in the mountains there. And yeah, and later until from late Saturday to Monday doesn't show much of cold, like freezing temperatures. The mountains warms up a little bit. Actually, next Tuesday the 26th shows all the way to 25 degrees in Christchurch and not areas. So yeah, but later after the 28th might be kind of cold again in the mountains. So yeah, be aware. And these next few days, let's see, Sunday, yeah, because in Australia they also show some tour is near like the coast of New South Wales too, but yeah, not on the immediate coast. But in terms of winds for New Zealand does show like, yeah, this is now Wednesday, so it's already Thursday there because this is European time, but already shows some strong winds there, some 8 km per hour. Southern Northern Ireland shows some 70 km per hour some areas. This goes most of Northern Ireland there, like Thursday afternoon, some 50 km per hour, 70s in some areas. So beer some gusty winds Thursday. This goes Friday, shows some gusty wind like southern New Zealand and some areas there. This goes there. Saturday shows more calm throughout the day, except some southern islands like near the Antarctic, an area station, very high gusts because of those big Antarctic low pressure systems. And but does show Sunday afternoons, maybe gusting to southern New Zealand again. And yeah, so be aware. Near like Monday and Tuesday shows maybe Northern Ireland, gusting the 2, but the European models are showing like next Tuesday night into Wednesday, the 26th, the European models like 100 16 km per gust in central mountains of New Zealand, 115. So the Europeans are very crazy with these gusts in the middle of next week. So we'll we'll monitor this, but it goes away later. But yeah, there's like the GFS barely shows any gusts on Tuesday, just southwestern New Zealand, but these models are very different. But be aware that in terms of fronts and rainfall, does show now as some snow in some high elevations today and Thursday, New Zealand and some rain there. This goal still shows rain and some snowflakes Thursday the 21st. This goes there, leaves Friday a little bit less, a shower or two on Friday, especially in the south, but then yeah, this goes Saturday shows still a small shower or two in some areas there, like 0.1 millimeters, and yeah, and Saturday still some showers. Sunday shows more rain in the south, but nothing crazy. The southern island on Monday, and yeah, maybe more stuff later, especially like after the 28th or something, but that's kind of far out. So be aware, the snowfall accumulation from now to like, because this thing's like hidden there. But here, let's see. Does show some snow, like those central mountains, some 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Some other areas like Kingston, some 11 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 6 centimeters. So yeah, be aware, but nothing that crazy. The European does show some snow there too, some 4 centimeters, those mountains there, and some 8 centimeters shows a little bit less than the GFS, but yeah, be aware those areas there. And this thing is so weird, it doesn't move from there, but yeah, it's okay. So be aware, and yeah, let's see if there's something else. So the temperatures, those islands still some mild 20s and maybe a spot or two 30, but some 20s temperatures with the sea breeze, nothing that crazy. So like even 30 in a spot or two the Solomon Islands, and a little bit cooler in those mountains of Papua New Guinea, but close to 31 in the south. So be careful with those storms there, and we'll continue monitoring this.